What's up, everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name's Dino, and I'm here to show you the best. Today's episode is going to be more towards the firearm enthusiast, while I do an unboxing and a quick review of the FNX 45. Alright, so this is the carrying case that came with the FNX 45, and pretty much your standard case, logo, lock, 2 clips. I just bought this a few hours ago, so pretty much going to be seeing it for the first time with you all, and there she is. So here we have a compartment that has some paperwork. Looks like we got our pretty much the register of the firearm, probably for warranty work, and a owner's manual, which pretty thick for an owner's manual. I'm somebody who loves going through the instructions, so definitely going to get a good look through that and see all the features. And we also get a slide lock. Quick history of FN is they were started back in July 3rd of 1889. Their full name is Fabrique Nationales Herstal, which translates to National Fabricator of Firearms, and that's in Herstal, Belgium. They also own Winchester and Browning, and one of the largest exporter of small arms in Europe. They also make the popular FN Scar and the P90. This firearm is actually manufactured in Columbia, South Carolina. Started in 2009, and they've been producing it ever since. They also make a tactical version of this firearm, which I actually was first inclined to purchase that, but after I saw this one, I decided to go with just the standalone version, and I'm going to be making a video of why I decided to go that route. The weight on this baby is 33.3 ounces, heavy. The barrel is 5.3 inches, which will give you a nice long barrel to have some very accurate shots. Overall, it is 8.6, 6.5 inches in height. And this firearm is actually a double single. When you have it in double action, it's pretty heavy, but I'm actually somebody who likes having a hammer. I feel like you can really get an idea of when that hammer is about to drop, and the pull is 8 to 12 pounds, which isn't too bad because the way it feels in your hand is comfortable. You can put the trigger right in between the fold here, and just a really nice natural instinct. And like I said, you can really get an idea of when it's about to drop. You can really take your time to aim in and just squeeze until it drops. If this was loaded, it would cycle back and give you a single action shot, and the single action shot on this is about 4 to 5 pounds, and you really can feel when it's about to drop. So you got a little bit of takeaway, and then feel the wall, target on, and fire. Another feature this has is a safety with a decocker, and really nice feel. You can really do quick work of it once you train with it. And the way this works is, say you want to have it, mag in it, chambered, you can lock it, never shoot, just like a 1911. You want to have it ready for action, boom, boom. Now if you have it cocked and locked, you don't want the hammer back, decock it safely, the round will not fire. So now you technically have 10 rounds plus the 1. Need to go, boom, you can go bam, or you can have it as, say you are decocked, safety on, you need to use it, you can always pull the trigger back and be straight into single action. Let's see how we can, bam. Comes with the sights. They are not night sights, but I'm okay with that. I'm actually going to be installing the Streamlight TLR1H tactical light under this, so definitely stay tuned if you want to see how this fits on here. I feel like it's going to be a really nice addition, and the bullets this fires are pretty funny how big they are. So that's them. This is the self-defense round, this is the range bullet, and man, these things are monsters. It almost reminds me of those little wieners that you use to make pigs in a blanket. Pretty big, heavy round, 45 caliber. These things are going to be extremely effective. So I am going to be shooting this gun in New Hampshire, which has no kind of magazine capacity loss. So I did end up ordering the 15 round mags straight from FNH, and really excited about those because I don't know if you've seen them online. They come down and they have like a little curve. When it was designed, it was meant so when you are prone, those ones are more adjustable. So you're down prone. This one has a flat base. The rounded one gives you the availability to be prone. You can adjust it and not have it like, see the space underneath here. That one would just be nice and rounded, so get a little more control in it for the military aspect. But I just think it looks really, really cool. So yeah, that was pretty much it. It was going to be a quick review of this. Stay tuned while I show how this light fits onto it. And I'm also going to be doing a 5 things that I love about this gun. And I'm also going to try to find 5 things that I do not like. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed the FNX 45 unboxing and a quick review.